Everyone, this is Astig, and today I would like to report the progress of my trading. So as you can see in my previous video that my last entry was sell direction or bearish direction. So I had two bearish entry in my previous video, and I'm expecting that the pin bar will show up last video recording session, but tonight it's already been hit, and the pin bar that I'm talking about showed up at around I think 11 p.m. December 21, 11 p.m. 11 to 12 p.m. December 21, 2022. And when the pin bar that pushes down was showed up, I'm so happy because my margin level was not affected, and I still have around 365% margin level, and that time my small balance was not affected because the traders around the world already reaches the resistance, and I confirmed that the MACD is already or has already achieved the overbought status. As you can see here, it's already above 50%. So about 50% cycle completion. So this one represents the new cycle going down. So when this cycle shows up, my margin level will not be affected anymore because there's no other choice but to continuously complete this cycle until this MACD, the blue line direction, will swing down to the negative percent, and before it inhales back up or into the new set of bull or bullish direction. So I confirmed that the MACD is already in the bearish direction, and the stochastic oscillator is already reaching negative 50, negative 50%. So I've set up the stochastic oscillator as 100%, and 50%. It's a half. So 0 to 50 and 50 to 100%. So the leading stochastic oscillator, the bullish stochastic oscillator, is already less than 50%. So I have two confirmed indicators that is showing bearish. Then the ATR is also showing bearish. Okay, as you can see, it is indication, so it's less than 50%. Then the moving average is turning down, and the candlestick bearish is nearly close to the moving average line. So there should be another another candlestick going down, then when it touches, when the opening price is below this moving average, or even half of this moving average, meaning the bearish direction will continue to go down until it completes the cycle to go down. So I may put the cycle, the half cycle here. I may label it here, because this new cycle or new candlestick bar is designed for the bearish direction, uncontrollable bearish direction. So yeah, so I confirmed the MACD, I confirmed the ATR indicator, I confirmed the stochastic oscillator as bearish, and also this moving average as nearly closing to nearly and close to the closing price of the starting candlestick pattern, or candlestick batch to go bearish. Okay, candlestick batch for the bearish cycle, because as you can see here, from here, these are the candlestick up to here, from here up to here. These are the candlestick that represent the bullish inhale. Okay, then the bearish exhale will start here. We'll start here. So it will start here. Here. Okay. So the bullish started here up to here. Yeah. Okay. So, guys, I was in the opposite direction because I set up my sell here. I think by here and here. So the direction was in opposite. So I am expecting that the price direction will go bearish last night, but the price direction continuously to reach this resistance up to here. So the price last night reaches and matches the other resistance here. Okay, so it matched the resistance from the last or previous price. So I have the same bearish pin bar here and my new bearish pin bar here. So if I'm going to look at the pattern, there is a possibility and a probable and identified direction that the new set of candlestick will go down, and I've set up my take profit here. So I'm expecting a certain $26.89 profit here, or that is equivalent of 2,689 points. Okay, so that is clearly stated here. Okay, so I need to take profit around a gold price of 73.87. That is equal to 2,689 points, or that is equal to $26.89. And my other entry is I need to take profit the same price, 1773.73, and the total points of that is $39.14, or in points equivalent that is 3,914. Okay, so I can now relax my self, and I can do planned jogging, walking, and running, because I am certain that the new price direction will surely go down. So you can relax yourself if the price direction is in the opposite direction of your entries. So it's like you're worried, you cannot sleep because you're worried about your margin percent or margin level to be hit. So right now it's safe, and yeah, there's a possible profit here without worrying. So my total expected profit here, guys, if I will not change my take profit target, so my expected profit here is $26.89 plus $26.89 plus $39.14. So that will be added into my current balance of 24.27. So 39.26, that's around 50 to 70 plus dollars plus 24. I'm reaching around close to around $100. Okay, so my goal here is to reach $1,000, my first $1,000 trading fund that I will not ask, I will not borrow from anyone. So my initial fund that I borrowed is was 1,000 pesos. So that is equivalent of $17. So then I started to grow it at $24.27, and right now, if this bearish direction will continue, maybe in 2 days I could reach that around 70 plus dollars to reach my first $100 trading fund. The next week I could trade again to reach the first $50 or another $100, and before the end of next week I could reach a possible of another $100, so $200 on next week. So guys, this is my recorded live trading session for you. Consider this as my laboratory or A/B testing to prove my learning, and to secure my trading fund for long term until I become a professional trader in the future. So consider me as a coach in progress, and an Astig coach in progress in gold trading. Although I started gold trading since 2010, but that time I am not, I cannot see myself serious. But now, since I'm concerned about my retirement plan at the age of 41, I am able to, set myself seriously, and take this seriously, become concerned about losses and expected profits. So guys, let us see if I can hold, defend, and save this balance to reach my first $1,000 trading fund without borrowing to any friends or any relatives. Then from $1,000, my goal is to earn $100 a day as my survival fund or my daily budget or daily trading profit until I save a lot of amounts to double my $1,000 trading budget up to reaching my first $5,000 and my first $10,000 trading fund, so that I could, I could earn around at least $200 a day as a result of my daily trading profit. So my goal here is to reach the $100,000 trading fund in my account from $17 starting fund. So if that is certain, or God will permit me to reach that level, so that is great, and that is a good motivational insights for you guys and also for me. So my recommendation before I exit to this recording, I would like you to focus in one world market asset. So this one is under the commodities, and this is gold trading asset. There are other assets like platinum, silver, but I would like you to focus in one asset only. Master how that asset work, how that asset inhale as a bullish direction and exhale as a bearish direction. So it's vice versa. It's either you can label it as exhale in bullish or inhale as bearish. So it's up to you. So I think I am progressing now for the number of days that I check and monitor the time frames or the best time frames. I've tried 1 hour time frame, and the last 2 days I've tried 4 hours time frame. In my last years of trading, I managed to try these lower time frames from 1 minute, 5 minutes, 15 to 30 minutes, but lately I think 2 weeks have passed. I was able to concentrate on the 1 hour time frame and 4 hours time frame to focus on the probable movement of gold trading, gold trading indicators, gold trading signals, and as you can see, I've managed to save my my trading entries, and I managed to save and maintain my margin level up to 784% to not being affected by the margin call. So margin call, guys, will start at around 80% remaining of your margin level. So that's very dangerous for your account. So if you waited more than 2 weeks and without managing your risk or your balance or your trade accounts, that will be a waste of time, a frustration, a devastation experience for your end. So my suggestion is you need to invest time and effort and involve discipline to not lose your margin level. So my margin level set up is a minimum of 2,000%. That's minimum. So if I can make it as 10,000% margin level, while I only executed at least two trades, so even it reaches the resistance and the support, and vice versa, my margin level percent should be a minimum of 2,000%, so that it will not affect my wrong direction entries and also my trading balance. So as a beginner, I am suggesting and recommending that you need to manage your margin level, whatever the amount you have in your trading fund. Set that as a minimum of 2,000%, whether the direction is going bullish or bearish, and opposite direction to your entries. Avoid sacrificing a margin level from less than 2,000%, because you cannot sleep, you cannot concentrate that moment, because there's a possibility that it will go down up to less than 1,000%. So yeah, so when it comes to other percent risk, so according to the expert, risk at least 1 to 2%, and the other 90% is your margin level to continue trading. So in my experience, I am not talking about the trading fund percent, because I'm not good into that. I am only concerned about the margin level percent. So if there is 0 to 100%, we are exposed into that understanding. But I doubled it, I doubled it and tripled it, and double the percent, make it to 2,000% as my minimum margin level percent. That is my strategy for now. Okay guys, if you learned something and understand my gold trading, A/B testing, laboratory testing for success. So I've tried this, I've studied this, I've experimented this for you and for me, so that you will be my witness on my success. And also I am improving my balance from $17 to $24 at the moment. But when this new session will end, to reach this top level, I could reach around close to $100 profit as my first laboratory progressive and success journey. So guys, this is Astig Coach. I am inviting you to click subscribe, so that you can see my another gold trading laboratory or experiments or A/B testing to support this recording session. So you can comment below and suggest if you've seen some mistakes that I've set up in my account. So since I am just in progress to coaching gold trading, you're welcome to comment and suggest, and I will be happy to read and understand that comment and apply that into my next trading journey or next trading tutorial. So for you to start trading or practice trading, there is a link below. Just click on the real account or the home page, and then find create account. So I'm using XM broker platform or broker brand. So I've been partnered with this since 2015. I've been using XM since 2015. So they are reliable. They're trying their best to always making their clients happy, their traders happy, making the traders withdrawal and deposit quick or quicker or faster. So you can feel secure when you use this platform. So just hit the link below, the homepage or the real account. And if you need assistance online for you to trade or how to trade, just find me on any of my channels below and message me. I will be happy to reply and share my experiences to you. Bye for now, and see you next time.